Do not worry. Be happy. I hope there's donuts in here.
Look at the...
To Kelly from Beyonce. Bitch.
You're gonna do that one first?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Shut up.
What?
Oh my gosh. I'm literally gonna cry.
Oh, you like it? I was like, oh, did she not gonna like this?
Why did you spend that much money on me?
It wasn't even that much. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Baby, if you cry.
Oh my gosh. Dude, makeup will make me cry. And food. That's all you had to get me. Why'd you get me more?
Oh, well, I got that last. I was like, oh, well.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry more. Lashes? Oh my gosh, like a whole set.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm literally crying. Okay, what's this?
What is that? I forgot what I got.
Oh my gosh!
A phone case!
That is so cute! Tina, why didn't you get yourself a phone case?
I know. There was only those ones.
You got me a phone case.
We can't have the same.
You
so
can
I'll
have
have this
mine.
one. I'll have the ugly one on your phone.
Oh my gosh, I love my presents. Everything I want. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, this isn't a knockoff, right?
No. I hope not.
You guys, this is my first time riding in a Lyft. I've never taken an Uber or a Lyft. I'm 30 years old.
You're gonna learn today.
She doesn't like her outfit.
I look like a mom.
What do you guys think? I think she looks cute.
They're like, yeah, what are you thinking? She looks crazy.
Look at our outfit. Look at my outfit. Well, good morning, or should I say afternoon. It's like 11 a.m. right now. And I'm cutting off my forehead because I freaking hate my forehead. I just wanted to end my vlog here. Last night we went to get Indian food. So bomb. If you're in Utah and you're in the Ogden area, it's on like Washington and Ogden. Ugh. Literally the best Indian food I've ever had. I got the butter chicken. Oh, girl. If you haven't had Indian food, you need to try it because you will like it. Just kidding. No, I like it. It's really good. Excuse me. I don't get the spicy one. I get like the least spicy. But anyways, the Indian food was great. Then we just went out. Me and my sister went out and had a few drinks. And we had a good time. We just like, it was Tuesday, so nobody was out, which was great. Like, I'm at that point where I just like chill. I like to chill. I don't like to be around like a ton of people and like the hectic, crazy stuff, like nightlife. But it was cool. Like the place we went is called the Lighthouse, also in Ogden. And we had a few drinks. It was just like me and her right there in the little lounge area. And we just like talked about relationships and stuff. So I had a really good time. And then we got a ride home. Our first Lyft driver was creepy AF. And I know I'm too old to like be using abbreviations, but I really don't care. He was creepy and he was just saying like weird things in the car. He was just like, oh, talking to, I don't know. He was like trying to be funny, but it was creepy. He was saying like stuff about like porn. And then I was like, okay, no. I was like, my boyfriend would not like this. So anyway, so yeah, the first Lyft driver was creepy. Then the guy who took us home was not creepy. It was fine. And then, We got home about like 10:30. I tried to like watch TV a little bit, but we both like passed out around 11 because we both had woken up early that same day. So um the kids got to stay with my mom last night, so that was good. And I am here actually at work. I just told them I'd be in a little bit later today, so I do have to go into work. That's adult life for you. You can't really stay up and party and like you want to and just stay home all day. But anyways, it's fine. Yeah, I just want to thank my sister if she's watching. I just really want to thank her for making me feel special yesterday, because if my boyfriend was home, he'd be doing that. He'd be taking me out to eat, taking me out to dinner, whatever. And she did all of that for me yesterday. She bought me the best gifts I could ever want, makeup. She took me out to dinner. She paid for the drinks when we went out. Like, she got the Lyft driver, whatever. She just paid for everything, and I know it cost her a lot of money, so I really appreciate that she just made me feel all special yesterday. She's like the best of the best, and I'm very, very grateful. So yeah, I am wearing my Jaclyn Hill palette that she bought me. I did use that, you already know, and yeah, I love it. So anyways, I'm just at work with my Dunkin' Donuts decaf. I only drink decaf now. I don't know if it's like getting older, but it's just when I drink caffeine, I get like super jittery and weird. So I only drink decaf. I'm weird. I don't know. I'm getting old, I guess. Old. All right. Okay. I'm gonna go into work, but thanks for watching my birthday vlog. Thanks for everyone who said happy birthday to me, either in a text or on Facebook. I don't have Instagram or Snapchat anymore, so I do not. I mean, I have accounts. I just don't have them on my phone anymore, so I don't check them. I'm just trying to take a break from social media. I do still have my Facebook, so for the people that are on my Facebook that said happy birthday, I appreciate it. Thank you. And people who text me. And if you didn't and you forgot, I've already forgiven you. I'm just kidding. But thank you for watching, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.